Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Hakiman bin Abdullah and my metric number AE190055. So now I would like to present the manual calculation for our circuit design. So for our manual calculation, we are using Fourier series analysis. So the first step, we need to find the coefficient for our A0, AN, and our BN. So since we get our T is equal to 2, we substitute into the formula where the A0 is equal to 1 over T, integral from 0 to T, function of T and dt. So we substitute the formula and we will get the value for A0 is 4. And then for coefficient of AN, the formula given is 2 over AN equals to 2 over T, integral from 0 to T, function of T, cos n omega naught T dt. So substitute the T value into the formula, and then we will get the the value for coefficient AN is sin n pi, where the value of sin is 0. Next, for the coefficient of Bn, where the formula given is Bn equals to 2 over T, integral of 0 to T, function of T sin n omega naught T dt. So we substitute the T value and then we will get the value for Bn is 8 over n pi, where for the Bn, when the value of 16 over n pi, the n is equal to odd, and when the value is 0, the n is equal to even. So for the phi n, the formula given is negative tangent power of negative tangent power of negative 1 Bn over An. So we will get the value of negative 90, where the n is odd, and when the value is 0, the n is even. So we substitute for our function, and then we will get the function of T is 4 plus 16 over pi, sum 1 over n sin n pi T.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syafiq Akal bin Suradi. My matrix number is DE200055 and I am from group 26 section 3. So today I would like to present about the Fourier series with circuit. So my part is to find the voltage. So this is the S domain circuit. So this is the VST. This is the value of resistor, which is 2 ohm. This is the value of capacitor 1 per 2S. This is the value of inductor 4S. So our VST is VST equal to 4 plus 16 per pi. The total n equal to 1 infinity 1 per n sin n pi t. So firstly we will find the DC analysis. So we applying the KCL for node A. So this is the node A, and then we do the KCL method, and then VO1. VO1 per 1 per 2S. So VO1 per 1 per 2S. And then plus VO1 per 4S, VO1 per 4S. And then plus VO1 minus VO1 minus VS1 per 2. So this is VO1 minus VS per 2 equal to 0. And then we simplify it. So 4 in bracket 2S plus 1 for S plus 1 per 2 close bracket VO1 equal to 2 VS1 multiplied with VS1 equal to 4 per S. And then we simplify it. 4 multiply with 2, 4 multiply with 1 over 4, 4 multiply with 1 over 2. So we will get the answer 8S plus 1 per S plus 2 VO1 equal to 8 per S, because 2 times 4 per S. So we will get the answer 8 per S. And then we will find the VO1 equal to 8 per 8 S squared plus 2S plus 1. So we simplify it. We cross 8, we divide it, and we will get the answer is 1 per S squared plus 0.25S plus 0.125. And then the answer for VO1S is equal to 1 per in bracket S plus 0.125 close bracket squared plus 0.109. And then the final answer with VO1 T equal to 3.03 exponent to the power of negative 0.125 T sine in bracket 0.33 T. So this is the answer for VOT. Next is we find the AC analysis. So VO2 per J1 per 2 and pi plus VO2 per J4 and pi plus VO2 minus VS2 per 2 equal to 0. So we simplify it, the nodal method, and then we will get the 4 in bracket J2 and pi plus J1 per 4 and pi plus 1 per 2 close bracket VO2. So we will get the answer is V1 per 2 VS2. So this is the answer. So next is we have to find the VO2S, and then we will equal to the 2 VS2 per 2 plus J in bracket V and pi plus Y plus 1 per n pi. So the VS will get the VS equal to 16 per pi angle negative 90 degree. And the answer for VO2S is 2 angle 0 degree per 2 squared plus 8 n pi plus 1 n pi, and then we square it. So next is the angle is tan inverse tan in bracket 8 n pi plus 1 n pi per 2, and then we multiply it with the VS, which is the VS is 16 per n pi angle negative 90 degree. So this is the formula, the value of VO2. So next is we evaluate or calculate it. So we will get 32 per n pi angle negative 90 degree minus inverse tan in bracket which is we will multiply it, which is the answer 8 n pi plus 1 per n pi per 2 per means divide with square root 2 squared plus 8 n pi plus 1 per n pi, and we will square it. So the VOT that we get is we convert. So we will get the 3.03 exponent to the power of negative 0.125 T sine times 0.33 T plus to the total k negative 1 infinity. So n equal to 2k negative 1, 2k minus 1, and then we put the value of VOS. So 32 per n pi per square root 2 squared plus 8 n pi plus 1 per n pi, and we will square it. So with time with the cos in bracket n pi t minus 90 minus inverse tan 8 n pi plus 1 per n pi per 2. So this is the equation or the answer for VOT. And then next we calculate, or we put the n value, which is n equal to 1 and n equal to 3 and n equal to 5, and we substitute the value of n by one by one. So firstly we calculate the value of this and put the value of n on it. Firstly we will get the answer, which is n equal to 1. We will get the 0.399 cos pi t minus 175.51 degree plus, so this is the answer for n equal to 3. So n equal to 3, the answer is 0.45 cos in bracket 3 pi t minus 178.50 degree. So plus, so I missed the plus, so plus 0.016. So 0.016 ni we substitute the n value, which is n value is n equal to 5. So 0.016 cos in bracket 5 pi t minus 179.09 degree, and then we get the V out, and then we make the graph. So VS graph, this is the VS graph, AN 0 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, and 5 pi, and then we labeling the graph. So the VS is 4, and then the pi is 16 per pi, the 3 pi is 16 per 3 pi, the 5 pi is 16 per 5 pi, and then for V out, pi is this is the value of this 0.399, 0.045, 0.016. So we label it on every pi, 3 pi, and 5 pi. And then phi n, we label the graph. So the graph is like this: pi, 3 pi, and 5 pi. So the phi value is negative 90 degree. So the label, so the graph will downs. And then for V out, for phi n, same, the graph is down, and the value of phi is negative 90 degree. Because of that, the graph is down. And then the value of pi, 3 pi, and 5 pi. So pi is negative 175.51. We will take this value and put in the graph. And then for 3 pi like 178.50. We will take the value at this. And then for 5 pi, we will take the value of 179.09 degree and put in the graph, which is 5 pi, at 5 pi graph. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Adam Radaris, and I will present about the circuit analysis using Fourier series, and I will do the for current analysis. So equation is for I total is equal to Vs divided by Z. So this is the formula for current divider, which is I2 equal to I1 divided by I1 plus I2 multiplied with I total. So we want to find Z. So our for the circuit is Z is 2 plus 4s parallel with 2 divide 2s, and so this is our z, and this is our equation for I total. So I out for 2 divided by 2s is this, and lastly we got the 4s divided by 2 over s plus add s plus 2 multiply with vs. So see, this is for the DC analysis, which is w o equal to 0. So we got the, for this analysis, for I current, I out for 2 over 2s is 0. So this is for AC analysis, and we just using the calculation, the formula, and the lastly we got this answer for I out. Same like for s, we vs multiply with z and multiply with current divider, which is for s. So this is we got for I out for s, which is 2 over 2s divided by 1 over s plus 8s plus 2 multiply with vs. So the same analysis for DC and SC, which is we just using a formula, which is for DC analysis, WO equal to 0. So we got 0 for current for S, DC for DC, and SC we just put the formula VS, which is this, 16 over n pi negative 90 degree. So just put the formula to we change the form, rectangular form to face form, and this we got the I out for s, and this is for I out for 2 ohm. So the formula is Vs over 2 divided by 2, and for this analysis is 1 divided by 2 multiply with Vs, which is Vs our DC is 4, and we got 2 ampere. And as analysis, we just using the formula for the series, and we just change the rectangular form to face form, and we got this for this equation for the I out to ohm. So we change to the we will show you the graph for the I out. So this is the for the SC analysis for the graph. So the example for this 2.55 is the n, and for the bracket pi t minus 90 degree is the for the phase. So for I out to ohm, which is when the k equal to 1, so we got 1.55, and when k equal to 2 we got 0, and when k equal to 3 we got 0.85, and when k equal to 4 we got 0, and when k equal to 5 we got 0.51. So for the phase, we got it with this the when n equal to 1, 3 and 5 we got the negative 90 degree. So for the I out for s, when n equal to 1 we got the 31.05 milli, and when the n equal to 2 we got 0, and when n equal to 3 we got 1.1519 milli, and when n equal to 4 we got 0, and when n equal to 5 we got 0.26 milli. So for the phase, when n equal to 1, which we got negative 1.151 degree. So when n equal to 3, we got negative 88.48 degree, and when n equal to 5, we get negative 89.09 degree. So for the I out, for the graph for the I out 1 over 2s, for the n graph, we got n equal to 1, we 2.507. When n equal to 3, we got 0.847. And lastly, when n equal to 5, we got 0.509. So that's for the phase graph. For the n equal to 1, we got negative 85.51, and when n equal to 3, we got negative 88.48 degree, and lastly, when n equal to 5, we got negative 89.09 degree. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so for power, we are using the formula power is equal to voltage DC times current DC plus 1 over 2 sum of Vn times In cos theta n minus phi n, where the value of theta n minus phi n we can simplify, and it will be 90 degree. So substitute the value, and then we will get the final answer as shown. So next, to find the n, the formula given is 2k minus 1, where k is 1, 2 and 3, and then we will get the n is 1, 3 and then 5. So we need to find the value, or we need to find power by using by the value of n is 1, 3 and 5. So for the n is equal to 1, the power is 0.5001 cos 90, and then for n3, n is equal to 3, the power is 0.01904 cos 90 degree, and then for the n equal to 5, the power is 0.5184 cos 90 degree. So the power is, the overall power is 0.5001 cos 90 degree plus 0.01904 cos 90 degree plus 0.5184 cos 90 degree, and so on. So that's all for the presentation to get the power of our circuit design. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Ikram Daniel bin Zainuddin. My metric number DE 2056. So I will construct the presentation about the simulation. First, by refer to the instruction of the assignment, what we need to do is we need to create a circuit that have the non-sinusoidal AC input signal as a source and the related components such as resistor, inductor and the capacitor. After we identify all the requirements, then we need to create a circuit, either the series or the parallel circuit. After we get it, we need to get approval from our lecturer. Okay. So this is our proposal and our circuit. that have been approved by our lecturer. So after we create a circuit, what we need to do is we need to find the current at each branch, the voltage at each node, and the power at one of the load. Okay, so by using multi-sim software, we have designed by refer to our proposal. This is the basic circuit, and the complete circuit with the multimeter, all the 5 multimeters, and the one single wattmeter. We find the value. So let's run the simulation. At this multimeter, I decide it as M, and in what we call AC circuit, because the source is AC and all the component is AC. This multimeter here is for volt, here for ampere, here for amp, and here for volt. This wattmeter. So after we run the simulation, we get the value, and all of this value we can refer to the manual calculation, that using the method of fast Fourier transform. Okay, that's all from me for the simulation. Thank you.